To get a cash advance on your Venmo credit card, you need to understand the process and the associated fees. First, you should know that a cash advance is a short-term loan that allows you to access cash using your credit card. To initiate the process, you can use an ATM or go to a bank and let them know that you want to get a cash advance from your Venmo credit card. You will need to provide your credit card and a government-issued ID to verify your identity. It is essential to note that cash advances typically come with high fees and interest rates. The interest rate for cash advances is usually higher than the interest rate for purchases. And you will also be charged a fee for the transaction, which can range from 3 to 5% of the amount you withdraw. Before getting a cash advance, you should check your available cash advance limit, which can be found on your credit card statement or by contacting the issuer. You should also be aware that interest on cash advances starts accruing immediately, and you will not have a grace period like you do with purchases. To avoid high fees and interest rates, it is recommended to only use cash advances in emergency situations. You should also try to pay back the amount as soon as possible to minimize the interest you owe. Additionally, you can consider alternative options, such as a personal loan or a balance transfer, which may have lower interest rates and fees. In conclusion, getting a cash advance on your Venmo credit card can be a convenient option in emergency situations. But it is crucial to understand the associated fees and interest rates and to use this option responsibly. By being aware of the terms and conditions and using cash advances wisely, you can avoid accumulating debt and make the most of your credit card.